In this video, I will show you step by step on how to create or how to set up LinkTree account and how to add all your link on a single LinkTree page in order to promote your link across the social media platform or website without any stress. So all you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning and see how to create an account with LinkTree and how to add multiple links on a single page in order to promote your links across the website or social media platform. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to create an account, how to add multiple links on LinkTree dashboard account. So let's welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you go to your address bar and type in LinkTree. Enter. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on the first link right here. Then the next thing you have to do is to come to the top right here. Make sure you click on sign up free. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you enter your email address right here and followed by your username. So let's check it out. Then you enter your username right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on create account. Then right here you have to enter your login password. Then click on continue. Right here you have to write a brief information about yourself. Next thing you want to do is just click on continue. Then from this section, so right here you have to choose any option that relates to your business, certain agency. Then you click on continue. Boom. So you just created a free account with linktree.com. So what you want to do right here is to choose the option as regards to this friend plan they have right here. So they have a free version, they have starter, and they have pro, and they have premium. So as for me, I'm going to choose a free version, just like what you see right here. So I'm using their free version. Okay. So under the free version, what are the things you can get? So under the free version, you have unlimited links and linked apps. You can click and view for the past 28 days. Collect payment, tips, and donation, etc. So these are the things you can do for free version of LinkTree. So you can easily scroll down and make sure you come here, click on join for free. All right, so you'll be asked to confirm your registration through your email address. Just make sure you head over to the mail that you used to register. And let me quickly refresh my mail. So you can see the mail right here. So I'm going to click on the mail just to activate. Then I'll make sure I click on verify mail. Then the next thing you want to do after you successfully verify, click on continue. All right, so after you click on continue, it takes you to this interface right here. So at this section, this is where you can add as many as possible link into your LinkTree account. All right, so for you to add any link to this account, for you to do that, you have to make sure you click on add link. Then after you click on add link, let me go ahead to my link right here. So I'm going to start with my YouTube link. So I'll make sure I highlight. And I will make sure I press Ctrl Z to copy the link. Then I'll go back to my LinkTree account and I'll come to the URL right here. I'll press Ctrl V to paste the link. Once I paste the link, I'll click on add link. All right, so having had the links, you can see the link right here. So one more thing you can do right here, you can edit this from www.youtube.com. For you to do that, you just have to come to this pencil icon, click on this pencil icon. Then that allows you to edit the website name URL. So you can now change it to YouTube. Okay. So having changed the URL, it's going to be update right here. So you can see the update right here. So one more thing you can do right here is that you can add a thumbnail to this, such as YouTube icon. So for you to do that, just come head over to thumbnail right here, click on thumbnail, then you click on set thumbnail right here. Then right here you can upload your own thumbnail or you choose from the icon. So I'm going to choose from the icon right here. Then I'm going to make use of search engine and I will just type in YouTube. So you can see the icon right here. So I will just select the icon. So we have it update right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add additional link. So I'm going to click on add link again. Then I'll go to my link pad. So this time around, I'm going to add my WhatsApp link. I'll press Ctrl C to copy the link and I'll go back to my dashboard here and I'll paste the link right here. Then I'll make sure I click on add. Then I have to edit the title. So I'll come to the top right here. I'll make sure I click on this pencil icon. Then I will type in WhatsApp. Done with WhatsApp link. So I want to add more links. So for me to do that, I have to click on add link. Then the very last link I would like to add is my Instagram link right here. Then I will highlight and make sure I copy. Then I'll go back to my LinkTree dashboard, Ctrl+V to paste. Then I'll make sure I click on add. Then I'll make sure I edit the title right here. I'll click on this pencil icon. Then I'll cancel all this and just write Instagram. Then I'll add thumbnail to Instagram. I'll click on thumbnail right here. And I'll make sure I click set thumbnail. Then I will choose from the tablet icon. Then from the search engine right here, I will type in Instagram. Then I'll click on the Instagram icon. It's as simple as that. So we are done with about 3 links. All right, so after you have done with all your links, you can rearrange the link in a way you want it to be. For instance, I want the WhatsApp to be in the number 1. Or you can, for you to do that, you just have to come to this 6 dots right here, move, then you have to drag from the middle to the top right here. Okay. So you can see it has been updated. So we have WhatsApp, Instagram, and YouTube. Okay. So finally, when you are done with all the links, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on copy URL. So when you copy the URL, then you can share the link to. So let's test on the link right here. All right, so these are the links right here. We have WhatsApp, Instagram, and we have YouTube. So this is how to create an account and how you can actually add different links into your LinkTree account in order to promote all your links on a single page on social media or any website of your choice that you might share the link to. I hope you really like this video. If you've enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.